Hello guys, welcome to another breakdown. After years of anticipation, delays and breathtaking promise from James Cameron, Aviator 3 is finally on the horizon. The saga of Pandora continues, but this time it's not just the visual that are involving, it's the entire world of Avatar. In this breakdown, we will reveal everything you need to know. Confirmed cast, storyline updates, new tribes, fan reactions, and major leaks from the production team. So buckle up, we are going back to Pandora. Let's start with what everyone's being asking. When is Avatar 3 finally coming out? Original set for 2024. The film has been pushed to December 19, 2025. According to Cameron, the delay is to ensure the visual effects surpass expectations and the storyline has more emotional weight than ever before. Producer John Lando revealed in a behind the scene featurette that they have already filmed most of Avatar 3 and part of Avatar 4, ensuring no more long gaps like between the first two films. The returning cast is stacked with fan favorites. Sam Worthington returns as Jack Sully. Zoe Saldana reprises her role as Naitri. Sigourney Weaver is back, this time as Kiri. Jack and Naitri's daughter and Stephen Lang makes a surprise return as Colonel Courage, now in Navi form. New characters are also set to shake things up. Ona Chaplin joins as Varang, a leader from the Fire Tribe, the Ash people. Expect her to be a major antagonist unlike any we have seen in Pandora before. The story picks up directly after the Way of Water. The Sully family must now leave the Matkania Water Tribe and confront new threats, include the mysterious Ash people, a Navi tribe that represents the darker side of Pandora. According to Cameron, these Navi are not peaceful, they are destructive and war-hardened. There is also a deeper exploration into Kiri's spiritual power. Many theories suggest she could be connected directly to Eva, the goddess of Pandora. Fan theories: will Kiri become the Avatar version of a Misa? Another: could we see Naitri clash with the Fire Tribe leader Varang? James Cameron shoot Avatar 3 using groundbreaking underwater motion capture, the first of its kind. Many scenes are filmed over 30 feet underwater, with actors holding their breath for up to 5 minutes. Sigourney Weaver at 74 trained for months to perform her underwater scene, proving again Cameron's obsession with realism. Avatar 3 introduced at least 2 new tribes, include the Ash people, while the previous film showed the forest and ocean Navi. This time we dive into volcanic regions and dark valleys. Each tribe has its own language, customs, and spiritual beliefs. Expect more cultural depth and more emotional shakes as tribes go to war, possibility even among themselves. After Cameron's teaser comment about a Navi civil war, social media exploded. Here's what fans are saying. Number 1. Can't wait to see Fire Tribe Navi. This is going to be wild. Number 2. Avatar 2 give me chills. Avatar 3 will burn traitors down. Number 3. Kiri's arc is going to be the emotional center, mark my word. Number 4. James Cameron is building the MCU of Pandora. Reddit, threads and YouTube breakdowns are buzzing with speculation. Even concept art are leaks, having fans dissecting every frame. Early insiders from Lightstorm Entertainment hint that Avatar 3 is way darker, more political, and emotionally devastating compared to the previous films. Critics are already predicting a possible Oscar nomination for the Best Visual Effects and maybe even Best Director if Cameron delivers again. And this is just the beginning. Avatar 4 and 5 are already in development. Cameron confirmed that Avatar 4 will include a time jump and explore Earth, while Avatar 5 may shift the battle from Pandora to human territory. Will Naitri walk on Earth? Will humanity finally face consequences? The saga is far from over. One thing's for sure, Avatar 3 is not just a sequel, it's the next leap in the cinematic world building. So, are you ready to return to Pandora? Comment below with your predictions for the Ash peoples and Kiri's future. Like if you love Avatar's world and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and leaks from Pandora. Hit that bell so you don't miss our deep dive on Avatar 4 next.